newly completed his circle, who wants to make that priceless moments for their parents by getting them on stage. But trust me guys, this feeling has to be the best feeling of his. For the new singer of today, Mr. Salim.
If you shoot for a moon, if you miss him, you will be still among the stars. Introducing myself. People who loves me more call me Stan. I don't know why. Yet why is gone. People who get motivated by me call me inspired. I don't know where I inspire more. People who respects me more, they will call Stanley G like this, sir. I love you, sir. Actually, he was starting from starting. He was a god for me. Sir, I can tell you a small story. What I had before. One guy was born in small village, and there was nothing. We used to feel that we used to sleep somewhere, and in the morning we used to get up in bed. We don't know magic. Dad used to take us on bed, and they used to care us. They put cot. This kind of life we have means so much of caring. We were not able to manage everything, means we don't know how to ask address also. That kind of things we had everything, sir. Hats off to my dad because he's a superhero to me. From initial position to still now, he was superhero. He was everything to me. Now that today I was a kid, but today is kid for me. Coming to my mom, I tell you, sir, always everything going well. I told you about positive and negative things. I used to compare every time. I used to get a clap for that. But I'll tell you about relatives now. Sir, when I joined to, I have done sacred art, same Kannada medium student I was. After that, my mom used to hit me for writing Kannada. Dabari ಅಂತ ಇಟ್ಕೊಂಡು ಹೊಡಿತಿದ್ರು. ಅದರಿಂದ ಜ್ಞಾಪಕ ಇದೆ ಸರ್. After that, I was too much fat, sir. I wanted to play Coco. I wanted to be a player, sir, but I couldn't be player. I had certificates, but extra players. That's a problem. After that, I got into high school. High school, sir. In that, people used to scare us. English medium, you can't do it properly. That was scaring for me, but I took a challenge. I went there, but people used to tease us. Sir, everything going well, but dad met with an accident. Still now 8 years are going. Dad is good. I tell you, sir, I can take him to the best hospital. I'm waiting for that. I'll make him better and all. Sir, I love my parents more. That's what, sir. They used to love me more, sir. When I was after that, people used to tell me, "Need West body. You appal jaasti matara, West body." That was, sir, West body marks only I got in 10. But it's okay. After that 1 year, I came back to PUC. In PUC, I thought, what could I take? Sir, I went to ask commerce. I was like, sir, there will be some people who motivates you, some lecturer or somewhere. Sir, I remember his name also, Chelura sir. He told that Kannadalli ಇದೆ ಕಾಮರ್ಸ್ ಟೆಕ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಸರ್ ನನ್ನ ಮಾರ್ಕ್ಸ್ ಸೈನ್ಸ್ ಅಂತ ಕೇಳಿದೆ. So it's okay, you go somewhere, you can get pass. Okay, I joined. But when I get a sign there, one person was the reason my relative. He's telling Nilkan science on the Kagatero. I scored 68% and 75% in science. Sir, I got good ranking also. That's better, sir. I'll tell you, sir. After that, I wanted to go for engineering, but home situation, I'll tell you, my mom sacrificed everything. She managed to take everything, sir. I can tell you, sir, I get tears in my eyes, sir, because she has faced lot of troubles. Dad was very trusting people, but he has made everything to people. But last time, people were like, they were not there. But in my relatives also, they used to tell, you can't grow. My dad was like, I'll be there, I'll make something, some properties, I'll make it, I'll show it. He showed that, sir. This is what I exist. So my dad also has no given attitude, sir. same blood I have. I don't leave. Whatever, sir. Sorry, sir. Sorry, sir. You told that your crowd going to be. Sorry, I'm going to make it. I'm getting half something also, sir. I'm going to make it. Half of the crowd should be mine, sir. This is a challenge, sir, what I had before, sir. After that, I came. I don't know what is a college. I went inside, sat. People were like, class. I don't know what to talk. They were like talking in English. I don't know how to talk in English also. I used to tell something. Akashi is my friend only there. He don't know Kannada. He used to talk in English, but Arabara English. But I don't know. I do know Arabara English. He know Arabara Kannada. That was I used to talk. He doesn't understand anything. I used to murmur something. I don't know, sir. Because of I used to be with him because I want to improve my communication skill. Wherever I point, I used to talk. I used to go like people used to think, is he mad or what? Same thing, sir. I used to think they were like class. How can I adjust? I don't have friends. Friends were, sir, like class they were. I couldn't match with them. Some were good, some were gone down, some were left. After it was so many left, came back also. This is a family where I don't know. So, honestly, sir, what I felt was when I gone to my home, I told same thing, sir. Same logic I used. You only told I got him selected. I told that mom doesn't think anything. I thought she will not agree, but she pledged her hearings and gave me join. You got better. You join. You do it. That was no. I can tell this, sir. My mom, dad, sister, they were yesterday logging, sir. They were asking, yesterday logging. Yeah, yesterday ಬಂತು. ಏನು ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ಯಾ? ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿದೆ? ನಾನು ಎಲ್ಲೇ ಹೋಗೋದಿದ್ರು ಸರ್ ಹೋಗು. Do it. But be careful. ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ಆಕ್ಸಿಡೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದೆ. Be careful. I'll be careful, ma'am. I'll be careful always. Sir, this was a best parents I got. My sister is very good dancer, sir. She's famous. My mom also. My dad used to, in his days, he was like amazing in his dance. I didn't make them famous. I'll make today famous, sir. Everyone should clap for him because, sir, what I have, I don't think that, sir. People used to fail in exam. Means 24-50 plus in my village, they used to fail in English exam. That place, the guys came rocking on stage. If it is not nonsense, then what is nonsense? I used to introduce myself like this. I am saying a small village called Nagaland is my place, sir. What I am going to come there. I came from 60 kilometers today, sir. If it is what I can tell you, this is amazing. Love you lot, sir. I used to hand over to my parents now.
Mary. I came from Nagnali. I'm teaching their Secretariat School, Nagnali. I'm teacher there, assistant teacher. ನನಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಇದರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಅಷ್ಟೊಂದು ನನಗೆ ಹೋಪ್ ಇರಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಆದ್ರೂ ನನಗೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ ಒಂದು ಎಬಿಲಿಟಿ ಇರ್ಬೋದು, ಏನೋ ಒಂದು ಪ್ರತಿಭೆ ಇರುತ್ತೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಹೊರಗೆ ಬರ್ಲಿ, ನೋಡೋಣ. ಅವನು ಏನೇ ಆಸೆ ಪಡ್ತಾನೋ ಅದನ್ನ ನಾವು ಮುಂದುವರ್ಸ್ತಾ ಹೋಗೋಣ ಅಂತೇಳಿ. ಆ ಟೈಮಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾ ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು, ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇತ್ತು. ಆದ್ರೂ ಕೂಡ ಅವನು ಕೇಳಿದಾಗ ಅವನು ಏನೋ ಇರುತ್ತೆ, ಮುಂದಿನ ದಾರಿ ಏನೋ ಇರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವನ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ ಆಗ್ಬೋದು ಅನ್ನೋ ಒಂದು ಅಭಿಲಾಷೆಯಿಂದ ನಾನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಸಪೋರ್ಟ್ ಕೊಟ್ಟೆ. ಕಷ್ಟ ಇತ್ತು, ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾನು ಅವನಿಗೆ ಆದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಭಾರಿ ಖುಷಿ ಆಗ್ತಾ ಇದೆ. ಈಗ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಚೇಂಜಸ್ ಕಾಣ್ತಾ ಇದೆ ಅವನಲ್ಲಿ. ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಲ್ಲಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ಡಿಎಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತುಂಬಾನೇ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದಾನೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ತುಂಬಾ ಲ್ಯಾಂಗ್ವೇಜಸ್ ಇಂಪ್ರೂವ್ಮೆಂಟ್ ತುಂಬಾ ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿದೆ, ಬೋಲ್ಡ್ನೆಸ್ ಇದೆ. ಥ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಯು ಆಲ್.
Hi friends, my name is Charlie Christopher and I'm from Nagnali. I'm the sister of Sir Stanley and I am even completed my MBA. Still I'm doing MBA 4th semester because I'm not satisfied anything. When I saw this sir, he is still 23, I'm 24. Still I'm not did anything, no. I'm thinking no. I'm really sure on that. Because everyone have a talent, in every sector have a talent, but if you need to do something means like this speed they need it, like this college life ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇದರ ಸಜೆಷನ್ ಮಾಡೋ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್ ನನ್ನ ಜೊತೆ ಇದ್ರು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ನ ಟ್ಯಾಲೆಂಟ್ ಏನನ್ನೋದೇ ನಾನು ತೋರಿಸ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಡ್ಯಾನ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಸ್ಟೇಟ್ ಲೆವೆಲ್ ತನಕ ಹೋಗಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಮತ್ತೆ ನಾನು ಸ್ಕಿಟ್ ಅಲ್ಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಆಗಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಸೆಂಟ್ ಫಿಲೋಮಿನಸ್ ಕಾಲೇಜಲ್ಲೇ ಓದ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಏನಂದ್ರೆ ನನಗೆ ಫಸ್ಟ್ ಟೈಮ್ ಏನು ಮಾಡಕ್ಕೆ ಆಗ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ, ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಕಾಂಪಿಟೇಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ, ಫಿಲೋಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲ ಇರ್ತಾ ಇದ್ದೆ. ಬಟ್ ನನ್ನ ತಮ್ಮ ಅಂದಾಗ ನಾನು ಅವ್ನು ಏನೇ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳಿದ್ರು ನಾನು ಎನ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ತೀನಿ. ಬಟ್ ಬೇರೆಯವ್ರು ನಮ್ಮ ಮಮ್ಮಿನೇ ಹೇಳ್ಬೋದು, ಡಿಸ್ಕರೇಜ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು, ಮಾಡಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಅಂತ. But boys can do anything. If they can't do it, if they feel to don't do anything also he can do. Because they have a stamina inside of that. If he feels to do something means they can do. I will ಈಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ನಾನು ಯಾವ್ದಾದ್ರು ಸೆಮಿನಾರ್ ಕೊಡ್ಲಿಕ್ಕೆ ಅಂತ ನಮ್ಮ ಸರೌಂಡಿಂಗ್ ವಿಲೇಜ್ ಕಡೆ ಹೋದಾಗ ನಾನು ಹೇಳೋದೇ ಇದು, ನೀವು ಮಾಡ್ತೀವಿ ಅನ್ನೋದನ್ನ ಹೋಗಿ ಮಾಡಕ್ ಸ್ಟಾರ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಆಮೇಲೆ ಏನ್ ಮಾಡ್ಬೋದು ಅಂತ ಅದೇ ಆ ಜಾಬೇ ತೋರಿಸ್ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಅಂತ ಹೇಳ್ತೀನಿ. ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಮಾತಾಡೋಕೆ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ನಾನು ಕಾಲೇಜ್ ಲೈಫ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಈಗ ಆಕ್ಚುಲಿ ನಾನು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಪೀರಿಯಡ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ನಾನು ಅದನ್ನ 35,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ಮುಗಿಸಿ ಆಮೇಲೆ HDFC ಬ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ವರ್ಕ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. 1.5 year ನಾನು ಎಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅಷ್ಟು ಹತ್ತಿದ್ದೀನಿ. ಅಷ್ಟು ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ, ಮ್ಯಾನೇಜರ್ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ಸ್, ತುಂಬಾ ಪ್ರಾಬ್ಲಮ್ ಇರುತ್ತೆ. ಅದರಿಂದ ನಾನು 1.5 yearಗೆ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಲೆಫ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಬಂದ್ಬಿಟ್ಟೆ. 35,000 ಏನ್ ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿದೆ ನಾನು, ಯಾಕಂದ್ರೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬರ್ತಿರ್ಲಿಲ್ಲ. ಅಲ್ಲಿ ಹೋಗಿ ಬಂದ್ಮೇಲೆ ನನ್ಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಬಂದಿದ್ದು. ನಾನು ಅಲ್ಲಿ 35,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ 6 ತಿಂಗಳು ಟ್ರೈನಿಂಗ್ ತಗೋತಾ ಇದ್ದಿದ್ದು. ಇಲ್ಲಿ ನೀವು 10,000 ಪೇ ಮಾಡಿ ಇಡೀ ಲೈಫ್ ಪೂರ್ತಿ ಇಂಥ ಫ್ರೆಂಡ್ಸ್, ಇಂಥ ಲೈಫ್ ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಸಿಗ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಅದ್ರಲ್ಲಿ ಏನು ಲಾಸ್ ಇಲ್ಲ ಅಲ್ವಾ? ಈಗ ಅವ್ರಿಗೆ ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಹೊರಗಡೆ ಕೋಟೆಗೆ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಬಂದು ಡ್ರಾಪ್ ಮಾಡ್ತಿದ್ದೆ. ಈಗಲೂ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಮೈಸೂರಲ್ಲಿ ರೂಮ್ ಹುಡುಕ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂದ್ರೆ ನಾನೇ ಹೋಗ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಹುಡುಕಿ ರೂಮ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಅಡ್ಜಸ್ಟ್ ಮಾಡ್ಕೊಡ್ಬೇಕಾಗಿತ್ತು. ಈಗ ಬ್ಯಾಂಗ್ಳೂರ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಹಾಸನ್ಗೆ ಹೋಗಿ, ಎಲ್ಲೆಲ್ಲಿ ಯಾರ್ಯಾರ ಮನೆ, ನನ್ನ ಫ್ಯಾಮಿಲಿ ಮನೆ ಎಲ್ಲ ಹುಡುಕಿ ಅಲ್ಲೋಗಿ ಪ್ರೆಸೆಂಟೇಶನ್ ಕೊಟ್ಬಿಟ್ಟು ಬರ್ತಾನೆ ಅಂದ್ರೆ ಇಷ್ಟು ಚೇಂಜಸ್ಗೆ ಈ ಬಿಸಿ ಕಾರಣ ಅಂತ ನನಗೆ ಖುಷಿ.
Sir, every time my sister only gets every certificates, medals, everything. Sir. I don't know why. I used to compete everywhere. I don't know. I'm not lucky. I'm lucky now. I can tell. I'm very lucky. I have got everything now. Sir, my dad is shame now. Can you encourage him? Can you encourage him? ನನಗೆ ಇಂಗ್ಲಿಷ್ ಎಲ್ಲ ಮಾತಾಡಕ್ ಬರಲ್ಲ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಬೇಕು, ಅದೇ ನಮ್ಮ ಆಸೆ. ತಂದೆ ತಾಯಿಯಾಗಿ ನಮ್ ಇಬ್ಬರದು ಆಸೆ ಅದೇ. ಮಕ್ಕಳು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿರ್ಬೇಕು, ಅವರು ಯಾವ್ದಕ್ಕೂ ಕೇರೆ ಮಾಡಬಾರ್ದು, ಎಲ್ಲದಕ್ಕೂ ಮುಂದೆ ಬರ್ಬೇಕು ಅಂತ ಆಸೆ ನಮ್ದು. ನಮ್ಮಲ್ಲಿ ಏನಂತ ಆಸ್ತಿ ಅಂತಸ್ತು ಏನು ಇಲ್ಲ, ಆದ್ರೂ ನಾವು ತಿಳುವಳಿಕೆ ಕೊಡ್ತೀವಿ. ನೋಡಪ್ಪ, ನಾವಂತೂ ಏನು ಮಾಡಿಲ್ಲ, ನೀವು ಚೆನ್ನಾಗಿ ಓದಿ ಮುಂದುವರಿಯಿರಿ, ಮುಂದೆ ಬನ್ನಿ, ಎಲ್ಲಾರ ಹತ್ರ ಒಳ್ಳೆ ಹೆಸರು ತಗೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಒಳ್ಳೆಯದಾಗಿ ನಡ್ಕೊಳ್ಳಿ, ಅಷ್ಟೇ. ನಾನು ಇನ್ನೇನು ಹೇಳಕ್ ಇಷ್ಟ. In starting manner, I was like nothing. Now everything. I used to struggling talking in English. Now everything in English. I'm delivering dialogues everywhere. I don't know why. This is a science is my sir. This is what I'm proud. I very thank you, sir. Sir, he used to call me. He was in Bangalore. I don't know. He used to call me, and I was getting goosebumps. He was amazing in his dialogue delivery. He was motivating each and everyone. I get ready, guys. I'm there, sir. I give heart and soul, sir. For my team, there is a little crowd now. I am going to give 100%. I'll get maximum crowd, sir. Kalamandir is for us, sir. I'm going to rock there. I'll wear that. I love shirt, sir. I want to wear that suit. I just told that I ನಮ್ಮನೆ ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ದೆ ಸರ್, ಮಮ್ಮಿ ಗಾಡಿ ತಗೋತೀನಿ. ಅವ್ರು ಹೇಳ್ತಿದ್ರು R15. ಅಯ್ಯ ಸೀಟ್ ಅಷ್ಟ ಮೇಲೆ ಟ್ರಿಪ್ಸ್ ಹೋಗಕ್ಕಾಗಲ್ಲ, ಮೈಲೇಜ್ ಕಡಿಮೆ ಕೊಡುತ್ತೆ. ಟ್ಯಾಂಕ್ ಕಷ್ಟಪ್ಪ ಇದೆ, ಅದೆಲ್ಲ ಬೇಡ, ಸ್ಪ್ಲೆಂಡರ್ ತಗೊಂಡ್ 3 ಜನ ಕೂತ್ಕೊಂಡು get a car. I'll get car soon, sir, but it's okay. First I'll get the bike. After that I'll show that I'll get the car. I don't want to make them in small car and all. I want to take bigger car, sir. I'll get them to bigger car, sir. I want to do it. Thunders out of applause for the entire family.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Presentation, sir. Trust me, when he started his journey, when he told me that he had pledged his mom's hearing, I was scared, sir. I was scared because we badly wanted to help him, and that is how he started working and changed. I'm telling you, sir, I've seen him on stage. First time he came on venue meeting, full Kannada had spoken, full. Sir, I don't know, English was the excuse. And trust me, my dear friends, I don't think he used even a single Kannada word today. And that's an achievement around the place. And whatever you want to do for your parents, I think that is the commitment he needs to take and start it. A round of applause for Stanley. I want to take selfie with this. Sir, please. Sir, Jai Hind. Prachi ji. Chetan ji.